Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Minecraft on Switch for beginners. To start your adventure, simply launch Minecraft from your Nintendo Switch home screen. Next, select Play to begin your journey into a new world. Then, choose Create New World to customize your game settings and difficulty. You can adjust things like game mode and world type. It's that easy to jump right into the blocky fun. Once you're in your world, mastering the controls is key. Use the left joystick to move your character around the environment. The right joystick lets you look in different directions. Press the button to interact with objects, like opening chests or placing blocks. To break blocks, simply hold down the ZL button. Don't forget to open your inventory with X to craft essential tools and items you'll need. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider hitting that subscribe button and giving us a like. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is super important, especially during long gaming sessions. I personally love the Oala water bottle for keeping my drinks cold. It's a fantastic way to stay refreshed while you build and explore. Check the description below for a link to the Oala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Surviving your first night in Minecraft is crucial. Your immediate goal should be to gather wood, punch down some trees. Use that wood to craft a crafting table and then some basic wooden tools. Before the sun sets, build a small, simple shelter to protect yourself from hostile monsters that appear at night. Finally, craft a bed to skip the night and set your spawn point safely inside your new home.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.